Hey, I'm Patrick with Roper Subaru here, and we're at the West 60 Cycle, and a great fundraiser for friends. This is Sandy. Tell me about
She
Friends.
started it up.
Sandy, tell us all about
In
it.
208, it became a nonprofit because there was a need, and we take care of children in foster care, kinship, and relatives. So there's three areas, and predominantly we do what I would call enrichment for the children in care. For instance, scholarships for college, emergency needs, athletic equipment, those things that are very expensive that maybe a foster parent would normally be able to purchase for that child.
Pay a boy to boy state.
Then a boy to boy state, it just all helps.
Whatever the needs are, the foster parents will get a whole bunch of money. So she tries to make quality of life a little better.
Well, I tell you what, it's an honor for us to actually be included in this. So we're thankful at Roper Buick GMC and Subaru to be a part of this.
You
And we
have
thank
no
you all for
idea.
help
Yes.
sponsoring this super event.
We had
It helped.
a great ride today. We got great people, help people in our community, and great food. And the food was just superb. And we unfortunately got to miss church today, but hey Oasis, we wish we was there. Thanks, and we're done.